I recently bought this cardigan secondhand, but it was a bit too long for me, so I just shortened it. After that, I had a bit of excess fabric left over, so I took that and created something new out of it. I made this bandeau top, which I really love, and it's so cool that I created 2 new items out of one. Learn how I did it in this video. First, I used the jacket that I already had as a pattern. I really like the style of this one because the back is a little lower than the front. I also made this one from a sweater at some point. Even the sleeves already had the right length, so I simply just had to cut off the bottom. Then I took the part that I just cut off and folded it in half so that I could even out both sides. And I did the same thing on the jacket. And because the velvet fabric frayed a bit, I just serged it with my overlocker. I did that for both the lower edge of the jacket and the upper edge of the top. I simply folded over that edge for roughly 2 centimeters and then just hemmed it with a zigzag stitch. And with that, the jacket is already done and shortened, and that only after 3 simple steps. For the top there was still a bit more to do, so I simply tried it on as it is so far, and then I had a look how much too long it is actually at the moment. I decided that I wanted to keep the hemlines at the front because they were already so neat, and that made it easier for me to sew in the zipper so that it looked nice. So eventually I had to cut off a bit of the fabric in the back. I took a zipper that I could separate so I could easily get in and out of the top, and then I attached it to the top. And then I first sewed it on with a straight stitch, to then take the other edge of the top and attach it to the other side of the zipper. And then obviously I sewed that in place again with a straight stitch. I chose a zipper that was a bit shorter than the fabric, so I could easily fold over the edge at the top to make the hemline more neat in the end. But before I hemmed the top, I tried on the top again and had a look how much of the excess fabric I have to cut off. I pinned everything in place with safety pins until I was satisfied. I then sewed this edge with my overlock machine, and obviously I paid attention that the edges at the top met, and then I also had to make sure that the fringes are not in the way of the knife at the overlock machine. In the end, I folded over the upper edge for 1 to 2 centimeters and then just sewed over it with a zigzag stitch. I really wanted to keep the fringes, but the material wasn't too good and they already frayed a bit, so I thought of a solution for that. I even took a comb to brush them, and then I took a bunch of them and put them together and then took my lighter to secure the ends. That actually worked pretty well, and so I didn't have to do it for every single fringe of it. It turned out pretty well, and it even stays like this in the washing machine. And with that, my new velvet bandeau top with fringes is also finished. And it's pretty cool that I could take something that was already used and turn it even into 2 new items and give it a new life. If you like this video, please also check out my TikTok or Instagram channels under the same name, SEWLMATE. I also post outfit videos there and some occasional mental health videos, as this is my passion. If you're German by any chance, you can also check out my channel Mehr DIY, where I post all those sewing tutorials also in German.